To learn about Waldeyer's rings, which is a part of gastrointestinal tract. It means it is a ring of lymphoid tissue which is present in your throat that act as a first line of defense against inhaled or ingested pathogens. So I have uploaded 2 gastrointestinal tract videos and 4 more videos are on the track, which will be uploaded within few days itself. Today one video is uploading, that is biliary tract. So Waldeyer ring is a ring of lymphoid tissue present in your आपके गला में है, जो एक्ट करता है फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस अगेंस्ट इनहेल्ड और ingested pathogen. So it is strategically positioned at the entry points of respiratory and digestive tract and well suited to intercept and process antigens. So it acts as a surveillance system, capturing pathogen and initiating immune responses to protect the body from infection. To it consists of 4 types of tonsil: pharyngeal tonsil, palatine tonsil, lingual tonsil, tubal tonsil. Pharyngeal tonsil is also called adenoid, which is located on the roof and posterior wall of the nasopharynx. Now about palatine tonsil. Palatine tonsil is located on either side of the oropharynx, 2 in number, because either side of the oropharynx, so between the anterior and posterior tonsillar pillars. Lingual tonsil is located at the base of the tongue. Now tubal tonsil located on the either tubal tonsil, it is also 2 in number. It is located on the either side of the nasopharynx near the eustachian tube, middle ear opening. So the palatine tonsil, nasopharyngeal tonsil, adenoid, lingual tonsil, it constitutes the major part of Waldeyer rings, a ring of lymphoid tissue which is present in your throat. Waldeyer ring is also known as NALT, very important point. NALT, NALT, nasal associated lymphoid tissue with the tubal tonsil and lateral pharyngeal bands as less prominent components. So ring composed of NALT, nasal associated lymphoid tissue at beginning of food and ear passage. At beginning of food and ear, it provides beginning of food and ear passage. It help in producing B and T lymphocytes. It is serve as a local defense and produces lymphocyte to send lymphocytes to send to other lymph nodes. So Waldeyer rings present in your throats.